Hey dudes, it's Dave here, seekbromance.com. This video is for those of you who have just registered for an account. You've entered your email address, you've picked a username, you picked a password, but you do not yet have a brofile. Why is it important to have a brofile? Well, that's simple. It's pretty much the only way that you can interact with anybody else in the Seek Romance community, sending them fist bumps or doing blogs, whatever. So I'm going to guide you through a process for a demo member that I've just registered, and you can see how setting up a profile is done. It takes a little bit of time, but it's definitely worth doing. Now here we are at the main screen in a laptop browser for Seek Bromance. So the first thing you want to do, because you've already got an account, is enter the member login page. You get the main area. We have an account name. Don't try to contact this guy, by the way. He's not real. Then we have to type in the password, of course. Okay, we're not going to save that. All right, now we have what we call the members area page in the browser version. Um, the app is a little bit different. It doesn't have a page like this. So when you log in, you go straight to your profile, even if it's an empty profile, and you have to edit things individually. Here in the laptop, we have a slightly different approach. What we do is we go to this option that says create/edit profile. Now we get a second menu. It says your status here. You haven't created your profile yet. Other bros cannot find you, like I said. So you want to add your profile info. You click it here. Okay. Country, United States, Canada, and United Kingdom are the only ones we serve. If you live somewhere else, sorry. State, and they have Canadian provinces down at the bottom of the list if you were looking for those. Then you type the name of your city. And I chose this one because its zip code is 12345. Oops. All right. Your email is not going to be seen by anyone other than Seek Bromance. It's just going to be used to send automated messages, like someone fist bumped you, someone messaged you, so don't worry about that. Profile headline, it's going to start by saying default dude, but you'll want to do something a little more clever. This one is very cheesy, but I like rhymes. Birth date, we'll just have as April 1st. And we'll pick an age here. Marital status, we'll have single. Drinking habits, smoking habits. Favorite cuisine, if you don't have one, you can pick I'll eat whatever. Appearance, most of these are I'd rather not say, but there are people who search on other parameters, so, you can enter them if you want. Religion, same thing. Occupation, you do need to have. So education, and you want to say the age range of the guys you're looking for. You also have to enter the age ranges of the guys you're looking for. So when you run your searches and they search on you, they'll be able to see if there's a match with that. Obviously, the second field needs to be bigger than the one on the left. Type of relationship, you can select any or all of these, but you need at least one. Interests, same deal. You need to select at least one. If you've got a bunch, no problem. Next part is where you actually start to write things about yourself. By default, it'll all say not completed yet, but obviously you are going to want to change that. It says describe your personality, how you spend your time, your work, family, friends, etc. My philosophy is the next field. Beliefs, outlook on life, what you like to think about, and what you're looking for, basically, why you're on Seek Bromance. So these are just regular fields here. You can type pretty much anything you want. So obviously you're going to want to go into a little bit more detail because this is how other people on the site are going to find out about you. So when everything is the way you want it, you're happy with how it looks, you click on Finish. It says, congratulations, your Brofile is finished and pending approval. If you have not uploaded a photo yet, you can do that now. And again, it's a very good idea if you do, because a lot of guys search only Brofiles that have photos on them. So if you want to do it here, you can create/edit Brofile. You can do this on the app too, of course. See, now that you've got the Brofile created, you have more options. It says waiting for approval. You can still change things. Those changes are cumulative, so there's no need to worry about that. Next step, we're going to upload a photo. This is a photo
Now we're ready to
guidelines to show you what's
upload a
acceptable, what's
photo.
not. So we're going to go down
I'm
here
going to
to
pick
the
one
select file
here
option.
from the
You don't
desktop.
have to enter a private photo password.
And
Let's see, hit browse. I've
oh,
already
yeah,
prepared
here's
a
a file
file
called
called
Example
Example
Face,
Face.
which I got for this demo.
Seek Bromance supports only JPEGs and GIFs,
Upload.
not PNGs. And now we upload. Ah, here we go. Please only upload GIF or JPEG image files. So you're back at the screen. This is going to be your main. That's something we want to take care of right
Hold
here.
on.
If you go back to Create Edit Brofile, still says waiting for approval. One thing you want to notice here is that photo 1 is going to be the photo that appears on your profile and that appears in the search results. So that one has slightly different standards than the other 3 possible photos you can upload to your profile and share with people who really want to take a close look at what you put in. But anyway, this kind of picture is really the ideal format for the kind of photo that you want to use. You should be looking straight at the camera, and you really should smile, even if you don't smile a lot by nature, just because people are attracted to smiling faces. That's just a well-known fact of psychology. So, it's a good idea to have a photo like that in here. And that pretty much completes what you need to do. Once your profile is approved, you will see that your status is going to be changed to active, and you'll get a little automated email to that effect. If for some reason your profile is rejected, you will get a reason and the terms, so you can make a fix and make your profile, kosher, I guess. And get started interacting with people. And at that point, it'll say your profile is active, and you'll be ready to go. Normally, the turnaround time for reviewing these is 24 to 48 hours. Sometimes it can be a lot shorter. It all depends on what else is going on. So that's it. You've set up your profile, and you're ready to have it reviewed. And once it gets reviewed, you're all set. You can start messaging people if you've subscribed. You can send fist bumps. You can make a blog entry, do anything else. So now that you know the procedure, best of luck, and I'm waiting to see you on the site. Peace out.